Hi and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be a vlog for you in Qwetu. First we're going to start off by, okay, let me move. No, okay, that's Marcy. Hi. Yeah, she's our host today. So I'll be showing you around the real life experience of staying at Qwetu, as in Qwetu is so pretty.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it's so cute. Okay, first we start with the ground floor. I'll show you the process if you're not busy. So we're starting off the vlog, and this is Qwetu, the Strathmore branch. So it's near
Wilson View, Madaraka.
Wilson View, Madaraka. So this is how it looks from the outside. Yeah, we can come. So now we're gonna enter. They have a parking. So if you have a car, at least you will be able to find space. So we start right off from the door. I think all the doors have this. They have a peephole so that you'll be able to actually see whoever is outside, just in case you have a knock. They also use an electric pass whenever you're trying to access the doors. So I think it's different from every room, if I'm not wrong. This is how they look like. Yeah. So from the inside, all you have to do is just close at the knob and the door will be closed. But from the outside, you have to use your keycard to access, and also to access the entrance. So first we start off with the kitchen, because that's the first thing you see once you enter the room. You're actually supposed to carry your utensils, so make sure you buy that. One of the things that they have clean running water, so you don't have to worry about that. Although there's a lot of fluoride, so if you have a problem with that, I think you'll have to carry your own drinking water. They also give you, the kitchen also comes with 2 cabinets, so you'll be able to put all your belongings, your utensils in here. The room occupies 2 people, and it's parted by like a kind of wall partition. The room also comes with a refrigerator. So Qwetu provides you with a microwave and also an induction cooker. I think an induction cooker and an electric kettle. So for this one specifically, you need to buy a specific type of sufuria. So outside they normally sell this blue, the induction sufurias, so they'll be able to accommodate you. They're quite expensive because one comes, you can buy one at 2,000 shillings. You'll be able to be directed on where you can buy this. So that's just basically it for the kitchen. So this is the first room that you see once you enter. I feel like all of them just have a similar look. This is the partition I was talking about. The other side is the roommate's room. So you can close your door, at least you have your own privacy. They have an electric light, so at least you'll be able to see at night, and a window that shows, okay, it depends where you are, because I feel like everyone's view is different, because from this room you can see the other side, which is just basically Nairobi and Strat. So the room comes with an open shelf. You can be able to put your books, your accessories. So in this case, you chose to put handbags. So whatever you decide to do, I think it's just up to you. They also provide for you, they provide a bed for you. All you have to do is just bring your own beddings and your own pillow, I'm guessing. And then they have a sizable closet. One, I feel like this is one of the most modern closets I've ever seen in a hostel, so that's definitely a plus. And it comes with 3 partitions, and you can put your shoes near the bottom place. Also, this was the view I was talking about. Everyone's view is different depending on where you are. right now we're going to the study room since there was no one here to film the video. Then afterwards, I think he's some other restaurant closes at 8. They have a restaurant called ground floor.
A restaurant, a small supermarket, and a laundromat.
Serious? Small supermarket?
Yeah.
Kuna nini exactly? I think
Everything essential first for a university student. Noodles. Go-to meals for university students like noodles, some veggies once in a while. Yeah, and so just basic things. Yeah. It's a small supermarket, so it's not like big. I think, yeah, it's not a big supermarket.
Yeah, so we'll just go to see that later after we're done with the video, because the day is almost over and we haven't even started. So we're just gonna finish. So yeah, we're just setting up the whole camera. Then we'll just start. Gani?
The planes. Which Wilson?
Oh, hey.
Huko mwisho.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then
that's Langata Road. Mbagathi. Kuna siku ingine nilikuwa nimekuja kukufu at 7. Kwa nilikuwa na trains Kilani. It was so nice.
Yeah. And then you go.
But mostly hawendangi mi directly. They go kwa mbele kidogo. Then go on ndani. But it's like a private.
Yep. That's it for the view and basically everything. Okay, so now we're done with filming. The thing we're going to do is that we're going to eat. Then I'm going to show you like the restaurant. The restaurant. It's like a mini restaurant. Then afterwards, the supermarket. I want to go check it out. Okay, so this is how we close off the vlog, taking you the whole day with us through Qwetu, hanging out, filming, maybe even saw how it looks. You can consider coming here if you're around. So, talks over.
That's all for today, guys.
That's all, folks.
Yep. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, to comment down below on what you think, to share the video with 5 of your friends, to
Subscribe to the channel.
yes, subscribe. It's very important. Go to the description box to check out the videos that I'll link out. That I will link down below that we did with Mercy previously. Yeah, so you'll be able to see more of us. So bye.
Bye.
Bye.